Now you can come to Twinmotion and you can be able to use Twinmotion doors, which will be more prettier. So in this case I might want one with metals like this, because this was just a market. So yeah, like this. Then I can make it to be a little bit taller that way. Then if you go, it will open. You can now do more settings, like how you want it to open and stuff like that. So it's pretty easy. Like I've said, in most cases always use keep hierarchy. It depends what you want to do. Sometimes if I'm doing things to do with animations, like I have a number of columns and I want them to appear as if they're coming from the ground going upwards, like construction simulation. That way, in most cases, I use collapse by material, because I want, when I click on one and I apply the animator will be able to apply on every component. But in this case, keep hierarchy is the best option. Now I hope this one was helpful. I know it's too long, but yeah, man, enjoy it.